Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. The man, believed to be among a group of robbers, is dead, and another is in police custody after an attempted robbery at a gas station in Red Hills, St. Andrew on Monday. The deceased has been identified as Shaquill Simpson of a Red Hills Road address in St. Andrew. Details surrounding the incident are still sketchy, but it is understood that sometime after 3 a.m. on Monday, a group of armed men attempted to rob the gas station when they were cornered by the police. A shootout later ensued between the hoodlums and the police. When the gunfire ceased, one of the men was found suffering from gunshot wounds. The man, later identified as Simpson, reportedly died at the scene. The other men escaped the area. But later in the day, when employees at the gas station were carrying out cleaning up operations, a sound was heard coming from a room inside the service station. The police were again alerted, and upon their arrival, a wounded male was allegedly found with a gun inside the room. In the upcoming video, a male who seemed relatively young is seen being accompanied by cops to a police service vehicle. The male's white merino had bloodstains as he staggered when he eventually emerged from the gas station with a plainclothes policeman holding on to him.
I feel pain, you know. See, whatever that man.
Watch out. I want a police up in a hand. I want a police up in a hand.
I'm sure.
Eh? Look, I hate the boy have enough. You see it in the newspaper, a police wrap up. That boy have all a gun enough. See police wrap it up there.
I want pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see what I gun, man. What I gun, man? That gun, you know?
Yeah. In there all along. In there all along.
Hey, the woman smart. The woman smart, you know? The woman here around there, and just take them call the police. Roger, what's the long gun?
Now tell them now.
There's a long gun, the boy, man, you know?
Yeah.
There's a long gun, the boy, you know?
Hide the boy, hide in there.
Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here, please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all, so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day.